Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Luxury Homes channel. I am going to show you today is the luxury builder floor diplomatic area. So very secure location and nearby all embassy. West End is very exclusive housing colony. I will show now is that the third floor is available for rent. Third floor with terrace. So this one is car parking. Each floor has a separate gate. Total 4 floors are made in this building, so every floor is separate gate and 4 to 5 car parking easy. So this one is just still car parking. So this is a lift. This is the main door, the floors. So inside is very luxury apartment. So let's go. This one is entrance. You can see how beautiful this house is made from inside. So you can see first I am going to show living area. So this one is living area. AC also hot and cool. You can see how much open space in there of the living area. You can see big size. This apartment is monthly rent 5 lakh rupees. This is attached balcony. There is a balcony attached living area. You can see. Limited home is built in this colony. If you want to buy this apartment, then you have to pay 25 CR. AC also hot and cool. Video door phone. This is the kitchen. How can see how beautiful and big kitchen is made. AC also like hot and cool. I hope you like this apartment. If you want to buy this apartment and give on the rent, then the monthly income will be a start 5 lakh rupees. आप देख सकते हैं कि डिश वाशर एंड वॉशिंग मशीन ऑल्सो put here. So this is a dishwasher. washing machine, microwave oven also, there is a total 5 bedroom in this floor. So here is spacious bedroom size also. So this one is first bedroom.
माल चल गया।
So guy, one more thinking I want to tell you that is from here American school, German school and French school will be absolutely nearby. Just 10 to 15 minutes from here you can reach all the school in the 10 to 15 minutes. This one is guest toilet. You can call also powder room. So let's go other bedroom. So guy, you can see how beautiful this apartment is made. This one is second bedroom of the floor. Also attached bathrooms. have enough space in the floor, as you can see, because its plot size is very big. Plot size is 1200 square yard and built up area 5000 square feet. If you have a requirement of this kind apartment, then you can definitely tell me, guys. So also attached balcony, AC same like hot and cool. Let's go other bedroom. This one is third bedroom. Also attached bathroom. This is a shower. Good size space in all bedrooms. See attached balcony. So greenery area. This colony has a security guard for 24 hours, and club is built also here. This is a club swimming pool. This one is same bedroom. This one is fourth bedroom of this floor. Also attached balcony. This one is master bedroom. So guy, this apartment is only available for rent, but I have a similar apartment which is also available for rent and sale. So if you have any requirement, then you can definitely tell me. So guy, one more thinking I want to tell you that the terrace are provided with this floor only. So let me show you the terrace of how is the made. So let's go. The lift is connected to the terrace, so you can come easy. This one is terrace. This is a small bar. You can see so big terrace.